Hello guys, welcome to PC Drills, where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we are going to see how to set up WhatsApp such that it won't auto download any media on your phone. So you can customize WhatsApp such that it won't auto download videos, audio and even stickers. So I simply head over to the WhatsApp application on my phone and using the button on the top right while I'm on the chat, using the button on the top right, I can click to go to settings, which is the last option I have. I simply open the settings, and on settings I go to data and storage usage. As you can see under, you can see there is network and there's auto download in that option. So, and it's there third to the last option. So I get into data and storage, and I can decide on setting whether the option should work on a Wi-Fi or on mobile data. So I first of all click for the mobile data, and I also do the same for the Wi-Fi later. Then for the mobile data, I've already unselected all. So if you had to allow it to auto download or not, it will depend on these ticks you have here. So for my own phone, I will disable all so that it should not download any media automatically while on mobile data. And once done, you click on OK. And then for the Wi-Fi, you do the same depending on your own preferences. Maybe you might want to download only audio, or to download just documents or videos only, or photos only, or two or more of them. You simply tick those you wish to download, and then that's it. You simply click on OK. But I don't want to download anything without approval, so I remove all the options. I uncheck all the options and I click on OK. And you can also click on when roaming, and then you select what can be downloaded. On when roaming, also have the four options. You click what you need and uncheck what you don't want. Because if you have not yet set this before, on your phone the options will be checked. By default, everything here is checked, meaning by default everything downloads automatically. So if you don't want, or you want to change it, you simply have to come to settings, download and storage usage, and then you do as you are doing now, and that's it. Click OK. And you can also customize your notifications for WhatsApp. Simply come to settings, you go to notifications. You can also set whether your messages should vibrate and you get a new message and stuff like that. You can also customize how long it should vibrate. Should it be short or longer? And this way you do it. You simply click on vibrate and then you select. You can also decide for pop-up notifications. Pop-up notifications are like when on a different application I get a WhatsApp message, it provides a small window. It simply pops up a small window on your screen where you can just reply to the message directly. Here is a little bit like Messenger, where you have one chat popping around and floating on your screen. That's the same issue here. And with the light here, you can also choose the color that you should have and stuff like that. Now with the priority, It simply means, let's say you have set not to receive some particular notifications, so you can, with this priority, you can modify it. For example, you can keep it to be something very urgent or something you care less about. So this is where you set up the priority. So high priority notifications means anytime a message comes, it must display. But if you stop it from showing the notifications, it means sometimes you won't even get all the notifications. You can only get few. The high priority means anything that goes on, you must receive the notification for, and with the sound, and it will pop up on your screen also. And for the notification tone, any message that enters your own WhatsApp, you must hear the notification sound. You can keep the default, you can change to any other one you want, and you also have the calls, the ringtone for calls. By default, this ringtone for calls is the one you have on your phone for your normal calls, and so you can edit this and keep the one you want for the WhatsApp, or allow the default and it maintains the one you have for your normal SIM cards on your phone. But I just want it to remain with the one for my phone. As you can see, the name, the second to the last option, as you can see the name, that's how I want it to be. And you can change it depending on what you want. And I also have the vibrate option for calls, and you can choose whether it should vibrate while ringing or it shouldn't. That's simply where you do it. And also, still on these notifications, maybe you made a particular setting and you don't know where you did it or how to undo it. You can simply come to this top right button, you click and you reset the notification settings, and everything goes back to the default. Then, so by now you can set them back to what you wanted before it kinda crashed. So that's it for resetting the notifications to the defaults given by WhatsApp to you. And also on accounts, you can have privacy to set up your privacy settings. On privacy, you can see who can see when you were last online, or who can see your profile photo, or who can see your about here means your description or your short info about yourself. So from the last scene, you can select maybe nobody, everyone, my contacts. So the photo someone posts on a person's profile, he can still select who can view the photo, and the same options repeat. And for the about, the short info about yourself, the same does. And you can also decide for your status, who can view your status and who can't view it. So if you want to lock some of your chats, you can simply click on the fingerprint lock, which is the last option. And maybe this option is not on all versions of WhatsApp. Maybe if your phone doesn't have a fingerprint, maybe it might not be there. So let's check it out. Click on the last option, and then you unlock with a fingerprint. You simply have to switch it on, and that depends on your mobile. If your mobile doesn't have a fingerprint sensor, so you might not have this option. You also have security, where you can show security notifications or any changes that you have on your WhatsApp. Maybe someone's code changes, you receive a notification for that, even in groups and stuff like that. You also have two-step verification, which is you add a pin or an email address such that when you want to log into WhatsApp, you at least use a password. Normally WhatsApp, you just have to put your SIM card and you are ready to use. You can also change your number from this fourth option you have here. You simply follow the procedure all the way through and you are done. You can also request your account info. It gives you some of the information they have about your account, and you can also delete your account. All depends on you and what you are looking for at the moment. You can also edit your about. What we said at the beginning about was a short info about yourself, something you want to show people. To edit that, you can come to this profile, you come to settings, and then you go to the first option where you see a profile photo. Simply click there, and then you can change your about. You can see about is a second to the third option. You can see about is a second to the last option. So I can click on it, and then I edit the message I have here. And once edited, I simply click on save. After clicking on save, it stores, and I simply go to the back button. I can also edit my profile name, so I can click on edit where I have name, and I put a different name for my WhatsApp. And for the photo, I can also change what I have as my profile photo. And to change that, I simply click on this edit, and then I select a new one. And you can also view the present number you have. We already saw where to change your phone number, so you can't change it here. Already saw where they do that on WhatsApp, so that was how we can change. Here you can only view how your number is or which are you currently on. So that's basically about setting up WhatsApp and all the various functions. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. We wish it was helpful, and we hope to see you on the next video. Please like, comment and share, and recommend to some friends.